Who became a butterfly?
Tatay.
That is Tatay? What you will say?
Tatay, you come back. I miss you. Come back. You love me, and you still die. I love you always. Bait siya.
Mabait siya.
I miss tatay. I wish I had a tatay.
You wish you have a tatay?
Because he died. Now where I will have a tatay?
Oo, ka naman. Wala kang tatay.
Tatay, maawa ka na. Come back. If you're not Uncle Nobi Kawawa, who will save us and protect us from the weird monsters? Who will save us?
Are you set?
Mm-mm.
Mag-artista, oh.
Tatay na.
Anak, ano kaya tayo mag-artista na lang, nak? Baka sakaling magkapira na tayo.
Ayaw, tatay.
Paano yun?
Tatay, bait.
Si inay na lang. Pagtsagaan mo na lang si inay. Wala na si tatay. Hindi na natin mahukay yun. Ano na siya? Skeleton. Paano yun? He become butterfly now. Paano